In this video, I'll be sharing with us how we can um, import data into Python. So first of all, I'll open my Jupyter notebook. That's Anaconda 3. I'm sure you will have that on your system, which opens on any browser, but preferably I'm using Microsoft Edge to open my browser. So next thing I do is go to document, or let me just go to anywhere my data is. Let me just pick desktop so I can save here. So go to new and Python 3 for it to open my Python script. Now first thing I do is to import my data. So first of all, I'll import pandas as pd. I'll also import numpy as mp. So after doing all the importation, the next thing I'm going to do is my df. Let me call df equal to pd dot read. That's the pandas we imported. Dot read underscore. I'm importing a CSV file. If I'm importing an Excel file, it will be underscore Excel. So next thing I'll do is to open bracket, the part where the file is found. Yeah. So next thing I'll do is to go to my laptop and open this. Maybe I want to use this file. I'll just right click, then I go to properties and security. Yeah. So this is the part where the file is. So I copy it. This is an Excel file. Okay. This is an Excel file. So I'm going to change the path to Excel, and I paste my file, then run. So I'm waiting for it to finish running. When it runs, then it will bring out the data that I just saved, that I just imported into yes, it has finished running. So now if I want to check if my data is currently in Python, I'm going to put df.head to show how many. Okay, so it's showing my data now, which is bound, account name, and all that. I can just say dot columns to show me the specific columns I have. Maybe I put dot head, then I want it to show me the first three, to show me the first three. So that's basically how you can import data into Excel. So guys, that's it. If you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel. Also hit the push notification bell so that you'll be the first to get updates as we drop. Bye for now.